Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by powering down and unplugging the cable so you don't jiggle electronics. That prevents shorts. Inspect the plug and jack, look for the broken clip tab or bent latch. Once done, remove the cable gently and collect tools. Small pliers, a replacement clip, or a drop of strong adhesive, plus a paper clip or plastic shim to act as a temporary latch. Now position the plug with the broken tab facing up. You're ready to act. You'll either reshape the existing tab or add a small replacement. Here's how. If it's only bent, use small pliers to carefully bend it back into place. Do not snap it. If it's broken, affix a thin plastic shim or fit a replacement clip into the slot and secure with 1 drop of superglue. Clamp lightly for 10 to 15 minutes so it sets. Once tacky, test insertion into the jack to confirm engagement before full cure or more permanent fixes. You finish by reinserting the cable and confirming a firm click and that the link light comes on. That verifies electrical continuity and mechanical retention. If it still feels loose, swap shim thickness or try a different replacement clip. Small changes matter. If repeated fixes fail, cut and crimp a new RJ45 plug with a proper crimping tool. This solves both contact and latch issues. Trouble tip. If intermittent connection persists, inspect internal pin alignment and recrimp. Don't rely on glue alone.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.